for 10 days. Every time I sneeze, I have to move to another country immediately. And if I can't get to the next country within 12 hours, I have to give every one of my subscribers 10 grand each.
Starting in New York City, each destination will be chosen from a list of random countries. Please do not try this at home. And just like that, a bagel sneeze on Wall Street was the beginning of a very long journey.
We're going to Italy now, apparently.
I landed in Italy 13 hours later, which already put me into subscriber debt by over $40 million.
What do you mean I have an abysmal credit rating? Are you gonna give me a loan or what? Fuckers hung up.
One mama sneezer later, and we're off to the next spot, Poland. The reality of being $40 million in debt, also having gambled everything I had to fix that, was starting to sink in. I had no other choice but to become homeless and live off of the land in Warsaw. A few questions began to appear in my mind. Is this really what it takes to be a YouTuber? To be the very best?
You don't make any challenge videos, you don't destroy any Lamborghinis, you are not a good YouTuber, Shrubland.
No time for questions. In this line of work, a sneeze can happen anywhere. In this case, anywhere was a few hours from the airport. Next destination, France. Just barely making it on time, the flight was still delayed 2 hours thanks to Ryanair. Another $40 million for a late arrival to Paris. To celebrate my financial demise, I went straight to the expensive section of Paris to receive a complimentary shower. Thanks, Tom Ford. Lunch consisted of wet baguette at the Eiffel Tower. Next stop, Spain. Once I got to Madrid, the worst happened. I haven't even been here 5 fucking minutes, and I already need to book another flight because of this fucking sneeze challenge. Despite a canceled flight, I got into a Lisbon flight within 9 hours. Don't ask me how I got a hotel in Lisbon. Finally, I had shelter for bathing and sleep. But uncertainty and doubts filled my mind. Would people even care? Would they think I'm the best YouTuber? This idea was stupid. The entire challenge was stupid. In this line of work, a sneeze can happen anytime. Day 9, final destination, Canada.
Remember that smoking is not permitted in the entire...
After traveling through 6 countries and losing everything, I realized being a YouTuber is about making things you want to make. Like a completely faked and scripted sneeze challenge skit. As promised, I owe 20 grand to all of my subscribers, so click the link in the description below, and I'll leave a comment with the link to claim your 20 grand in SD, not in USD. It'll be an SD.